So we are here in the grand lobby of the Queen Mary 2. You can feel the excitement here. It's been transformed into the scene of a major red carpet event, and the buzz is absolutely tangible.
She's the perfect venue for hosting such an evening as this. Queen Mary 2 is a celebrity in her own right. I think the surroundings of the vessel are magnificent, and I think we're going to put on a great show, and we're very honoured to host Fox for this world movie premiere of The Greatest Showman.
Well, we've got 500 VIP guests on tonight, and every one of them is going to be coming on the red carpet. Their journey starts by coming into our grand lobby, which is the most amazing space on our ship.
But this is the first time ever there's a movie premiere on a cruise ship. And it couldn't be more appropriate with P.T. Barnum, who sailed many times on Cunard, and of course the Queen Mary 2, which is the icon for the brand.
This is definitely the first I've ever done of a movie premiere on the grandest ship of them all. I mean, I have to say, I read 37 books on P.T. Barnum. He would love this as a decision for the premiere. If you're going to go on a boat, you go on the biggest and the best, right?
It is over the top and luscious.
It's my first time ever doing anything like this, but it's rad, it's cool.
You know, there's a lot of history in this movie, even though it's not strictly a biopic. It's inspired by the life of P.T. Barnum, but he and Jenny Lind used to go on the Cunard line. So they used to travel and do their show back in the day. So, I mean, the ship is known for luxury, it is known for class, and Barnum understood how to project an image. And so he wanted to go out with the greatest, grandest singer on the planet. And where did he go? He went on the Cunard, right? Because it was luxury, it was panache, it was class, and it was fun. And that's all the things he was about.
Cunard is very used to celebrities, luminaries, and our history shows that we carried many of them in the past, and we still do to this day. So I think we're no stranger to having celebrities on board Queen Mary 2, the most famous ocean liner in the world.
It's very P.T. Barnum. It's spectacular. Just even like walking towards, the Queen Mary 2 just lit up the sky. It's very fitting for what P.T. Barnum would hope. There actually used to be a scene in the film on the Queen Mary, but unfortunately it got cut due to budget. But yeah, there's a lot of crossover, which is, you know, again, that's why having it here tonight is just, it makes me so happy.
Cunard, there's been so many firsts. You know, Cunard, frankly, created cruising. And so it's only appropriate that the first movie premiere ever will be aboard the Queen Mary 2, which is the icon for the fleet for Cunard. So we couldn't be more proud, we couldn't be having more fun, and we couldn't be more happy to share the Queen Mary 2 and the Greatest Showman with the world.